Ooh, hi guys, it's me, Lucian Anthony BR, and in today's video, we're gonna be playing the new update that's called the wiring update, seeing all the bootcamp stashes and explain how the new blocks work. As you can see, they add this new map that's called Lab, and they add new type of blocks that are like work like with wiring and all the stuff. So I'm gonna be explaining how each of these blocks works, and most of the blocks are in this map, so I'm gonna be showing you how it works. So first we have the keys. Show him the key, show him the key, show them the key. So as you can see, there's like the key in this section that works for some type of opening things. They add more stuff that works. They add a new bump. There's like this bump. They add the new bundle, new cosmetics and new bundle. The bundle comes with this. Let me do a demonstration. A little demonstration, but I need more cotton. Look. And look, I'm gonna tell him this, you stay there. Look, now he is radiating. He's green. And no, please. Okay guys, so if you told this to you, oh wait a second, let me get that back, here and here. If you get this, you become more faster. Look, if you come more faster, you can jump. Come on faster. Break these things. If you touch yourself, you can break these things like this. You can just. Ooh, I'm crazy with these things. So that's particularly the new item they add. There's no more items after that. It's just that and the new blocks. So I'm gonna be explaining you. I'm gonna be showing you the new boot coins also, and I think that's my plan for this video. Okay, so first we're gonna go see every single boot coin stashes. Okay, Matt?
Okay.
Okay, so open the door. As you can see, when he starts the car, this door opens. We have this. Okay, Matt, let's play a game. Matt, let's play a game. Oh! Copy, fuck. Okay, we're gonna play hide and seek. I'll be playing hide and seek. Can you find me? Can you find me? Oh,
no, I'm stuck. No. I'm stuck.
Run. You monkey! No, I see you there! I see you coming! No! Okay, guys. This is a funny manner to
Never
play
jump over there again, guys. Never jump over there again.
Okay, so look. So the key, as you can see, when you press this button, they make this open. Just for a little time, then you turn off. Then you can get more keys. Press that button. Get here. Open this. And just be here. As you can see, let me throw that there. As you can see, guys, this type of lime green thing makes this half effing. And I put this inside here. You see? So this basically is just an app that adds more stuff. Okay, so Matt, be right there. Perfect. Go.
Where am I?
You're trapped.
Yeah.
Now get back to work. Okay, I need to stop making him to get here, but I'm so good at this. One of my favorite game modes. Okay. Okay, he needs to get there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, he's gonna get out.
Where's my key? Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. So guys, the Spearman escaped. Guys, the Spearman escaped. Oh, shooks. Oh, shooks. Open this. Yeah. See ya, baby. Oh. Open this. Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
We'll meet again. Nowhere.
Okay, so guys,
We'll meet again.
that's how it works.
Nowhere.
Okay, so that's how it works, guys. So we're gonna be playing some hide and seek map. We're gonna be trying to find all the Bitcoin stashes, and that's it. I'm gonna show you how the blocks work. So let's find the Bitcoin stashes. I know that one is right here. We only need to break the. I'm so strong. So right here, the first Bitcoin stash is here.
Yay, $8.
Let's go back here. The other one, let me remember. So we need a key first. Look. Oh, you have 10 seconds.
Back me.
You have 10 seconds. 9,
Back me.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going for you. Right. I know you're in there. Matt, the battery. Where are you, Matt? I know you're in here, but where are you? So if I don't know where are you, and then we're gonna find you. Matt. Oh, he's killing so much. Okay, so we're gonna keep on behind him. Oh. Let's break off this. That's a baby. So we're gonna go back down here. So this. Oh. I wonder where's Matt at. Matt, say something. Matt, say something. Say something. Matt. Matty, Matty. Manicure. Oh no. Just talking. What's gonna do all this? Oh, the first Bitcoin stash is we found. The second is a chest right here. Second. Okay. I wonder what is this thing, bro? I never got to this thing. Open this. Look, the turbo current stash here. We'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when. It's not that we're gonna miss some sunny day. Okay, guys, it's good. It's time. Well, meet again. Yo, but we went.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I found 3 book stashes. We need to find the last one. I know what it says.
Where?
Here.
Really?
And also, there's a new promo code. I remember there's a new promo code.
Oh.
Do you want to know it? Do you want to know it?
Yes.
So first, let's find the last book stashes. So I know. Oh, we need a book code. We need a.
Keep me ready.
It goes. Get it. Open the door. Now. Okay, let's get. Okay, so I know something. That when you get here, you need to touch the wall. One of these.
Do it. No, you do it, bro. We need it. Please.
Wait.
Do
Come
it.
here. So this right here.
What
There's the purple key. And when you come. The purple key, it works for other stuff. Hey, Matt! Look! There's a mouse right there!
Hey, you.
Bro! You don't need to say that word. We're a family-friendly channel.
Potter.
Okay, so right here, it will be the last Bitcoin station. I really got it, but this is the last Bitcoin stations, and we're gonna play 2 more hide and seek map. Okay?
Don't let me here. Michael! Help me!
Elbow, so.
Michael, help me! Yay!
Elbow. I'm gonna get the key.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, for sure. I don't know how to get there. I don't know how to get there.
No!
Oh, I'm getting stuck here. Bro. You here? This? I'm ready for this. Matt, I'm coming for you. We'll meet again. Don't know when. It's not that we're gonna meet some sunny day. We'll meet again. Don't know when.
Holy shit!
You was. We'll meet again.
No.
Yo. Okay, we need to get a key. So that's the last book stations. And okay, Matt, I'm gonna play a Hennessy mode. What do you think about that? The last one. Whoever wins gets this key.
Okay.
This one. You're so bad. Okay. So we're gonna play the hide and seek, man. Okay, Matt, you're gonna stay there, right there. You're gonna stay right there. You're gonna wait. No, you're gonna stay right there. You're gonna stay right there. I'm gonna when the timer goes off, you need to go find me. So get right there, and I'm gonna go hide. I'm gonna go hide. Okay, guys, you know what? You're so full. Bro. Look up you. Mateo, look up to you. Mateo. Mateo. I'm in the top of you. Look. Alright. You need to make all the... Okay, I'm gonna just make this for you. Okay guys, I get the sad news that Matt died. Exactly that. The good thing we get too many fun moments. So now I'm gonna go to playground. I'm gonna be showing you the new code. Okay, this. Like my content, please subscribe. I'm just gonna go to the plane when I walk in. Remember that we need to just check out right there. When I do this, I'm gonna teleport to play. Okay, so now we're in playground. I'm gonna go down there to see the new promo code. Go right here. Okay, so the new promo code is Jeep Stone. It will be Jeep. Whoa, look, Jeep Stone. It's in this machine. You can check it out. Promo code. Go back. And now, guys, I'm gonna be showing you all the new things they add. I'm gonna show you all the new things they add. So, like, let's go into my private world. So, guys, now we're in my private world. If you wonder what is this, I'm gonna know in a few weeks. We're trying to work in something. So right here, it will be all the new blocks. So we have this type of blocks. That this is the only thing this do is connect to other ones. This is the same. Okay, so guys, this is the same block, only that it has inside. More for cover it. It's like this type of blocks that are more big. It's just only for covering. Then we have these blocks. These are the trapdoors. When you press this, it will send a connection ring. Let me see what it says exactly. Right there. So you're supposed to connect one of these blocks. Connect to something else, and it's gonna open automatically. So it's a pretty good thing, I would say. Over there. There are these blocks. These blocks give you more time, so you put like 5 of these blocks just lining each other. Just like this. It will be like time. This gives you time 1, 2, 3, 4. Give you time to open the door. So down there's the teleporters. This needs energy to work. As you can see, 1 connection and 2 connections. Now there's the doors. The thing is you need to connect something and it will open. We have the key stores that is already with the key in there. There's also the key spot that you can put it in the door. And the key launcher that when you press this, it will be showing a key. Now there's these things that are like the TV thing. This is like a computer, as you can see. Let me check it out. What's more? I think that's it for me. It's not that much blocks, but mostly you can use this for making a map. And that's what I'm talking about. This new BAM which comes with the wiring BAM map. So we need to add all the stuff to the map, to the BAM map. It's will be more difficult to get like a lot of machination. So as you can see, I'm gonna make every single block of this. I'm gonna be showing you the leader I have in the BAM map. You don't know what is this for now. You're gonna see it when it's done. So I use my BAM map to make like this. You can use this. I'm gonna use a connection to disconnect right here. Maybe disconnect right. That makes sense. Disconnect right. You need to put this right if you want this to work. Basically. Alright. Okay, perfect. So I'm supposed to press this button right here, but ultimately, anyway, I'm saying, good. It will be all perfect. So I'm gonna connect something else right here. When it's connected, it's gonna blow something up. As you can see, this gives me a key, and this will be a secret thing here that you need to put over here. And you're supposed to open this, but you need to break all of this to enter. So yeah, it's just like that. This all new stuff is more for working on maps and for make more hiding spots more crazy. So you that are seeing me right now, I think you should try this new update. They bring a lot of stuff for make maps, and you can have fun with these maps. Because as you can see, when I'm playing with my friend Matt in the hide and seek map before he dies, we're having fun. This new update brings fun to everyone. So if you like my content, please subscribe. And nothing more to say, I can say. So as always, I end this video just throwing something. But now I'm gonna end this video by something else, bro. We get this, and no, you're reactive. You see, you're reactive, bro. No, he's for me. Get off of me, guys. See ya. I'm not channel in the and please subscribe. See you another day. I get myself up. Wait.